This is a 15 amp 3-foot power cord. I was sent this to review for free. If you wanted to purchase it, it would cost you about $15. They haven't paid me for the review, and my opinion remains my own. So we get here a NEMA 515 plug, standard 15 amp household receptacle, and it's attached to a 3-foot wire that has 12 AWG gauge wire. Nice little thing here is these 3 ends are tinned already. So if you have some type of a screw terminal you're screwing them into already, they're ready to go. You could even crimp a crimp terminal onto them just as they are if you'd like. Or you could, trim them back a little more and get some bare copper there instead of the tin if you'd like. So it is a pretty burly cable here. You can see the conductors are, full 12 American wire gauge, and then we have a decent amount of insulation both on each conductor wire and then around the entire thing. So this is a pretty thick and burly cable, suitable for things like heaters or waffle irons even. Anything that would draw a full 15 amps continuously, this guy can take it. Now, I don't believe the insulation on the wire is anything super high temperature, so you have to make sure where it was going into your appliance wasn't getting super hot. But other than that, this guy here looks pretty solid. They say it's a low profile plug. It is relatively low profile. That has a 90-degree angle, but it still has probably 1.25 inches here of space clearance you would need for that. It does have a little lip here, so you can kind of grab that lip and pull it without getting your fingers too close to the hot ends here. So it looks like a pretty good replacement power cord.